Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'll show you that how can you clear your all app data on your iPhone. So for this, the first step is to click on the setting option of your phone on your iPhone here, and you can say this is setting. We will just scroll to the down and find out general setting in our setting option here. So just scroll to the down here, and you can say this is my name here. I will click on the iCloud option, that is 5 GB here. You can see there is a lot of application in my folder, so I will select one application. You can select one by one and clear all app caches from this menu. Like this is iCloud, so I will go on manage storage and click on, like, if I want to clear my voice memos, then I can clear all the data from here. Like this, you can clear all applications data one by one on your Apple iPhone. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.